Today I'll be showing you how I draw my realistic lips digitally. First I draw two lines and then I draw some flat W. So now with the airbrush I'm currently making the bottom part of the lips, then I make the upper part. I want to make sure that my bottom part is darker than the upper part, so that's why you see the bottom part really dark. Since this was a sketch, I'm lowering the opacity so I could easily put on my colors and start shading it. I used a pen fade for coloring and shading the lips. You can use any type of color for coloring in the lips, but I'm using a pinkish red type color. Then you outline the lips with that color. Then for coloring the bottom of the lips, you lower the opacity and with that same color or tone, you start to color the bottom of the lips. This step is optional, but if you would like to give your lips some more depth and make it pop out, you could add a darker color of shadows, as you could see I'm doing here. Now I chose a lighter tone for the upper part of the lips, so it could give somewhat soft look. Since I saw my lips a little too dull, I'm just adding in more shadows. I'm just adding a little bit of outline to the lips to make it pop out. For the highlights, I take the eraser tool and lower the opacity of it. Then I start to lightly dab the eraser on the lips where I want the highlight to be, usually at the bottom of the bottom lip. And I'm also adding highlights on the upper lip, but I made sure that the highlights of the bottom lip are more bold than the highlights of the upper lip. If you feel the lips too plain, you can add skin at the bottom of it. This is how the lips turn out. I really hope that this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching.